Great house. It's one of the oldest in town. Wait till you meet the owner.
Hello. Welcome to Middleton. I'm Cassie Nightingale.
Allergies, cholesterol, minor sprains, anxiety, you name it, she's got us covered.
I've never been a big believer in the benefits of herbs, but that might just be 11 years of medical school talking.
Tell Lori I said hi.
Lori, what a surprise.
How does she do that?
Who is that guy?
Nick Redford. He's a total jerk. I don't want to live here.
You were the reason we had to move.
You gotta tell him.
I don't know how.
I would be happy to explain my message.
No, I'm a doctor. You're, well, not a doctor.